Hi, I'm Jim Benham, and you're watching CBS 4 News at 10. We're also streaming on CBSN Denver.
And I'm Karen Lee. Thank you so much for being with us tonight. Since the pandemic began, much of Colorado's battle against coronavirus has been defensive. Things like social distancing and putting on those masks. But as stay-at-home orders start to lift, we are seeing a shift to an offensive strategy that already has people feeling optimistic. And science is leading the way. Tonight, a look at how we can get ahead of the virus on two fronts. First, testing and tracking. Second, a drug treatment that doctors say is showing real promise. We're going to start with the testing goals, which Governor Polis outlined this afternoon. Colorado is currently testing an average of 3,000 people per day. The goal is to test 8,500 a day by the end of May. Now, the long-term goal is 10,000, but supply chain problems are getting in the way of that. In addition, contact tracing will play a vital role along with this expanded testing. Karen Morfitt joins us live now looking into this for us. And Karen, testing is just really one part of this equation.
And Karen, the governor says meaningful tests will be key moving forward. That means knowing who to test and where to test. Obviously, the state's epidemiologists will be key in guiding those decisions and ultimately slowing the spread. Every day, Colorado is seeing new numbers relating to COVID-19.
I categorize a lot of the epidemiologists who are working on this pandemic in public health departments as first responders.
Dr. Lisa Miller is a professor of epidemiology at the Colorado School of Public Health. Many of the students there have now been recruited by the state to help track how the virus is spreading.
Basically, contact tracing is pretty simple. So you need to identify who has the disease. And in this case, you need to make sure that they are being isolated and staying home so they're not spreading it. Then you need to find out who else they might have infected.
Increased contact tracing is one step Colorado Governor Polis says will help flatten the curve. He's already doubled the size of the state's team and is arming them with a new tool to collect data.
And if we want the best epidemiological response, it requires more than just staff. It also means bringing all the technological tools that we have to bear.
The Colorado Symptom Tracker is an online survey where individuals can enter their own information and experience. And while Dr. Miller says there will always be a need for person-to-person tracing, with a high number of COVID cases, she says technology could mean more information faster.
We're trying to understand who is sick as early as we can.
Now, the state is working with private partners like Google to get that symptom tracker up and running. It is online right now, and we have a link at cbsdenver.com if you'd like to check it out. For now, we're live in Denver. Karen Morfitt covering Colorado First.